Jonny builds unbreakable things.
Hello and welcome back to the garage. In today's episode we are working on the downpipes. I'm starting this off by welding the 4-inch V-band outlets from the turbos. That's a 4-inch to 3.5-inch reducer that we are welding to the V-band flange. I've tacked the part, now I'm welding the seam all the way around. This is going to give us a smooth transition to the 3.5-inch exhaust. It's a pretty good looking weld bead there. Here I'm cutting some of the stainless steel piping to make the downpipes. Here I'm putting the 90-degree elbow on to essentially get the downpipe started. And that will wrap around the motor on the driver and passenger side and go to the catalytic converter and then to the transmission tunnel exhaust. I'm tacking the part here. Okay, I've got it all tacked up, so now we are going to do our weld. The weld you see me doing here took about 2 minutes to do with the LightWELD. Very fast and great for this exhaust work. So this is the start of the downpipe exhaust, and here I am making sure it fits correctly and figuring out the placement where I can fixate the radiator support, where I can picture that for clearance, and how I'm going to do the remainder of the downpipe, getting all the angles and pickups ready. Okay, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Check out the next episode where I'll be working on the transmission tunnel exhaust. See you then.